Hello, and welcome to Living Naturally's walkthrough of Buying Genius. Today we'll be focusing on the Marketing Services tab. We'll be covering supplier promotions, customers, customer analysis, campaigns, and loyalty settings. The first section we're going to look at is customers. This brings us to our customer search field, where we can search by card number, last name, first name, street address, city, state, postal code, phone number, or email address. We also have a list of the groups that have already been created by name and amount of members. If we like to take a look at the members in that particular group, all we need to do is click on the group name. After clicking on the group name, it will return all the members in that particular group. If we like to take a look at a specific customer, we can click on their card number. This will bring us to the customer profile of the customer that we clicked on. We can take a look at their information and see their card number. If we need to make changes to the customer information, click on Edit, and allow us to edit the fields. From this field, we can also see their loyalty settings. We can see information about their program level, purchase history, member date, points, card numbers, and if need be, we can also do a card merge. From here, we can also take a look at their transactional history, their reward history, and if need be, make any point adjustments for the individual customer. Also on this page are campaigns. By clicking that, we can see what campaigns we've sent to this individual customer. Next, we'll go to the customer analysis page. From the customer analysis page, we can create new groups to send campaign and promotional information to. For example, I can create a group of just active customers to send information to. After creating the customer status, then I can run that group. After the group has been created, I can save all the members and name it to be used later. Now that this group has been saved, I'll be able to see it in my list of customers. And the new group, Active Customers, is up under Groups. The next section we'll cover is Campaigns. This first screen shows campaigns that you've already created. To create a new campaign, click Create Campaign. To create a new campaign, we'll first have to give it a name. Then we can select the type. In this case, we'll select Coupon. Then we can select the template we'd like to use. We'll do a custom coupon. Then we need to pick how we want this to send out. We'll go out to Media, by mobile, and email. Next, we'll select our distribution date, and then click Next. When creating your mobile coupon, you'll need to add a heading, subheading, expiration date, redemption code, description, and disclaimer is optional. After you've finished completing the required areas, click on Save and Continue. This will now bring us to the email section, or again where we have our required fields to fill out. After the required information has been completed, we can preview the campaign if we like. After you've looked at the preview and everything looks good, we can now go to Save and Continue. After we've completed the information for the mobile and email promotions, we can save the promotion by clicking Save Campaign. It will ask us, do we want to save campaign? If we don't want to make any changes, we can select OK. Now our newest coupon shows up in our history. This is the one that we created, new test. If we'd like to take a look at it, we can actually click on the campaign name. This now brings us to the preview. We can take a look at the information, make sure it looks good. If we're happy with it, we can click close. And the next section we'll look at is Supplier Promotions. The Supplier Promotion tab is a great section because most of the work that you would do to create a coupon has already been done for you. All you need to do is select the product that you'd like to promote, add your redemption code, then hit Send Offer. Then you'll be asked if you want to send this to all your mobile customers. Select OK. And just like that, it's sent. Couldn't get any easier. And then if you like, you can click on Campaigns to see the status of that subsidized offer that you just created. And now the last section we'll cover is loyalty settings. Under loyalty settings, there's the status monitor, settings, auto birthdays, missing in action, and manufacturer rewards. We'll first take a look at settings. In this section, you can see how your loyalty program is set up. For this case, the store grants 1 point for every dollar purchased. You're allowed to print the reward one time, and it expires in 60 days. Any of the values with a box around it can be modified for your store specifications. The next section we'll look at is called Auto Birthday. The Auto Birthday section will send out a birthday promotion to everyone with a birthday in that particular month. To create or change that promotion, click on Edit Promotional Settings. In this section, you can make any changes that are needed. After the changes are completed, click Save. The next section is Missing in Action. This is managed similar to Auto Birthdays, but this section is meant to reach out to customers that have not returned to your store for a while. The next section we'll take a look at is the Manufacturer Rewards, or MFG Rewards. To create a new reward, click on Add New Manufacturer Reward. In this section, you can create rewards for specific UPC. This reward will only be sent to customers that buy that UPC that you set up for the reward. The last section we'll take a look at is called the Status Monitor. The Status Monitor is an amazing tool for your business. At a glance, you can see month-to-month stats for total sales, program members, store visits, dollars spent per visit, recovered customers, and the effectiveness of your promotions. Farther down on the page, we can also get customer stats. You can see your top 10, 50, or 100 customers, see what they spent in the last 4, 13, or year-to-date. Access to this information will help you run your business as effectively as possible. And this concludes our walkthrough training of Buying Genius.